How can I tell if my ductwork was designed properly? Properly designed ductwork delivers balanced airflow, keeps rooms comfortable, stays reasonably quiet, and does not waste energy. A good system starts with room-by-room heating and cooling calculations instead of simply matching ducts to the size of the old equipment. Each room should receive the amount of air it needs through correctly sized supply ducts, while return ducts bring air back without restriction. With the system running, doors should not slam, whistle, or become difficult to open, because that can signal pressure problems. Ask a qualified contractor to measure supply and return air temperature, static pressure, and airflow at important vents. Static pressure means the resistance the air meets inside the system, and high readings can make the blower work harder while reducing airflow. Look for ducts that are sealed at joints, insulated where they pass through unconditioned spaces, and supported without sharp bends or crushed sections. An often missed detail is return air placement. A bedroom may have a supply vent but still need a return path through a grill, transfer opening, or properly sized door gap. You can also compare room temperatures with a reliable thermometer after the system is run long enough, because large differences may point to poor balancing, leaks, or undersized ducts. One common mistake is judging performance only by whether air comes out of every vent. Check airflow and room comfort, not just the presence of air. Another mistake is assuming bigger ducts are always better, because oversized or poorly balanced ducts can create weak airflow and noisy pressure changes. Have the contractor provide the design airflow for each room. People also often ignore the return side and focus only on supply vents, so ask for return air measurements and a static pressure test. Finally, do not accept a replacement system based only on the old equipment size. Request written load calculations and duct measurements before approving the work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.